What is going on, crypto fiends? Thank you as always for tuning into the channel. I'm Ryan Rotolo, and today we're going to be talking about the best debit card that I could find on the internet. No, I am not joking with you guys. This thing has insane features, and surprisingly enough, I have had it in my wallet for many months now, about 7 months now, and I just recently found out it is the best. So we're going to be talking about that today, how you guys can get a hold of one yourself if you wish to do so, and if you are involved in the cryptocurrency space, this is definitely a phenomenal option to consider adding to your wallet. All that coming up. Alright, so before we dive into today's video, we do have to give away one of these hardware cryptocurrency wallets. As you guys know, we have been giving away a wallet every single week for the past 6 weeks now, and we still have 4 wallets to go, so we are going to be picking a winner in today's video. And as you guys know, all you have to do to be entered into the giveaway is simply be subscribed to the channel and leave a comment down below on this video and every other video after that, because I do pick one video from the week and then I do pick one winner from that comment section. So today we are going to be going with the VeChain video, the $1 trillion cryptocurrency, and it seems like you guys really liked that video, so I'm very appreciative because many hours went into creating that video, but we do have 111 comments, as you guys can see here. So we're going to be picking one winner for this week, and this week's winner is Miko Mito. Go for the kill, ... I'm not quite sure what that means, but Miko, congratulations, you did win one of these hardware cryptocurrency wallets, so I will be reaching out to you shortly, and you can redeem your wallet. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel, because you don't want to miss out on your chance to win one of the 3 wallets left once Miko picks out which one he wants. So diving into today's video, we're going to be talking about the best debit card in the world. I am not joking with you guys, and surprisingly enough, this debit card is involved in the cryptocurrency space. I'm sure you guys already know who I'm talking about because it's probably in the title of this video. It's going to be none other than the MCO Visa card by Crypto.com. Now, as you guys can see, I have it in the packaging right here. I have been using this debit card for about 7 months now, and I cannot emphasize enough how promising this card really is. When I initially got the card, I figured, all right, it'll be cool to use. It has some pretty cool benefits. But once you really start using it and you understand that this card is saving you a shit ton of money, you get a bunch of perks that you never thought you would use, but you actually do use. And just across the board, the experience on the mobile app and the experience of using the card, the looks I get from this card, because it's very heavy metal. It's the heaviest card I've ever held. It's heavier than an American Express Platinum card. This thing is freaking insane. Let's see if we can get a little close up for you guys. It might be a little blurry, but there you go. This thing is absolutely awesome, and we are going to be talking about it today. So let me go ahead and put it right here for you guys. Now, with the MCO Visa cards, you do have to stake their cryptocurrency in order to reap all of the benefits of using their card. It's a tiered system and allows people to really understand the value of their cryptocurrency, understand how the platform works, and keeps their customers coming back for obvious reasons. So if you guys aren't familiar with a stake means, it pretty much means that you lock up their MCO cryptocurrency for a period of time. Usually it's about 6 months. And when you lock that cryptocurrency up, it doesn't go anywhere. You don't spend any of your cryptocurrency. You don't lose any money. It gets locked up for that period of time, and that allows you to reap all the benefits of the debit card which you choose. You can choose the option to not stake your cryptocurrency, but of course the benefits are going to be decreased drastically, but they do compare very well comparative to a lot of other debit cards out there in the world still. So starting off the list with the first free card, this is their blue card. This card offers 1% cash back on all purchases and $200 of ATM withdrawal fees waived completely, so no fees for $200, and you can do interbank exchange rates monthly up to $2,000. That is their free card, so it doesn't cost you anything. You simply sign up, you get your MCO card, and you can get 1% cash back on all purchases. The second card is where things get definitely more exciting. 50 MCO and get the Ruby Red card. And the benefits provided to this card is 2% cash back on all purchases, no matter if it's groceries, gas, anything on the internet, whatever it is, it's 2% cash back. You get 100% cash back when you have a Spotify premium membership, so you might as well get a Spotify because you get that completely back every single month. You can withdraw up to $400 with no ATM fees, and you can exchange banks for up to $4,000. And of course, the card is metal. The free card is not metal. That is a plastic card, and it's definitely a good starter card if you want to just get into the space and see how things go, but definitely not as exciting as the runner-ups. So that is the Ruby Red. Moving up the list, we have the green card and the Indigo Blue card. That is what I currently have, the Indigo Blue. So the MCO stake for this card is 500 MCO. Now keep in mind, when you lock this cryptocurrency up, it doesn't go anywhere. You don't lose any of this. If you wish to receive it after the lockup, you can completely take it back and go on with your life. But the 500 MCO stake is required to receive this card and receive the full benefits. The MCO cash back for this card is 3%. Which I gotta say, guys, is freaking awesome. We are going to dive into my cash back on my personal account and my transaction history to give you guys an example as to the benefits you can really reap with using this card. The Spotify, you get 100% back, and you get 100% back on Netflix as well. So you can get a Spotify and Netflix for completely free. And you get access to airport lounges around the world. You get a lounge key for you only. You can withdraw up to $800 USD without any ATM fees, and after that, of course, it costs fees. And then the exchange rate monthly is $10,000. And of course, this card is metal. In my opinion, this is definitely the best option to go with if you have a little of extra MCO to stake and you want to get a solid ground of benefits to use. Next up, we have the Icy White and the Rose Gold. For the staking, the MCO stake is 5,000 MCO. So this is where we start to really step into the baller range, especially in the cryptocurrency space, when you have some money to put off to the side. With the cash back, you get 4% cash back. Keep in mind, guys, this is a debit card. Yes, a Visa debit card. 4% cash back on all purchases, free Spotify, free Netflix, free Amazon Prime. Yes, you heard that correct. Free Amazon Prime, and 10% off purchases with Expedia. Pretty awesome stuff. Now, you get exclusive merchandise welcome pack from Crypto.com with this as well. You get an earn bonus interest, so you can use their earn platform and get extra percentage points every single month for using this card. And you also get access to Crypto.com Private, which allows you to reap all of these extra benefits. You can get access to the airport lounge with one extra guest, which is very, very cool in my opinion. And you can withdraw up to $1,000 with no ATM fees and inter-exchange bank rates of $20,000 a month. And of course, this card is metal. Definitely a very, very cool card and insane features. I mean, if you have this card, you are an absolute baller, guys. So moving on to the next and last card that Crypto.com offers is going to be the Obsidian Black. This is the boss shit right here. This is the Mac Daddy card. If you have this card, I'm going to get on my hands and knees and bow down to you. The MCO Black Obsidian card is a 50,000 MCO stake. 50,000 MCO. Now, most of us can't get access to this card because you obviously have to put some serious capital down, but nonetheless, it's really cool to look at the features that are provided with this card. You get 5% cash back on all purchases, which right there alone is magnificent. Next, you get free Spotify, free Netflix, free Amazon Prime. You get 10% back on Expedia, 10% back on Airbnb. Of course, you get the exclusive merchandise package. You get the earn bonus interest. You get access to crypto.com private. You get private jet partnerships, which is freaking ludicrous. You get access to airport lounges with one guest. You can withdraw up to $1,000 a month from ATMs without any fees, and inter-exchange bank rates are completely unlimited. And of course, this card is composite metal. If you are just getting into cryptocurrencies, or you want to find a debit card that gives you rewards that you rightfully deserve for going out and making purchases, etc., I think the indigo blue and the green are the best option to go with. 500 MCO stake, and you get that 3% cash back, the free Spotify, Netflix, the list goes on. That is a great option to go with for a middle ground card. But even the Ruby Red is a phenomenal card to go with for 2% cash back. Right there alone with the 2% cash back, that's above 99% of debit cards out there in the space when it comes to rewards. So there you guys have it. Now, lastly, I just want to go into my debit card history and show you guys the rewards that I've really seeked over the past 7 months from using this card. As you can see, we are currently on my personal crypto.com app. You can see my total balance with my fiat currency, my cryptocurrency, everything right there at the top. And like I said, I do have a review video on the channel, so if you want to get a deep dive review on this mobile wallet app, go ahead and hit that link down below. But let's go ahead over to the far right tab and check out the MCO Visa card. As you can see, this is my current balance on my card. In order to put funds on the card, you have to transfer them from your crypto.com mobile app onto your prepaid Visa card. And as you can see up here, you can do the top up with cryptocurrencies or even the wallet as well. You can see right down here all of my purchases. So you can see I went to Publix, the supermarket, Office Depot, Chick-fil-A, Moe's. Just daily purchases, guys, just daily purchases. And I literally get 3% cash back on every single one of these purchases. Does not matter what it is, does not matter at all. So if we go over to the top right and hit that card, you can see my card. Of course, I can freeze it, I can reset the pin all from the mobile app, which I think is a really cool feature. You can see the current currency that I'm in. I can enable international usage. So if you go to full card details, this is where, of course, you can see all of the benefits that I get with my card with the MCO stake. Another cool thing is every single week, I actually get 6% back on the MCO that I have staked. So I have 500 MCO staked on my account. Every single 7 days, I get a free MCO from that 500 MCO, which equals out to 6% a year. So that's literally just free cryptocurrency right there. So right down here, again, you can see all the benefits that I currently have on my account. As you can see right down here, I have no monthly fee, no annual fee, no delivery fee, and all I have to do is purchase and hold 500 MCO tokens for 6 months to receive my Royal Indigo card. So that's really it, guys. It's really that simple, and I could not be more happy with this card. The last thing I want to show you guys is the amount of cash back that I've personally got from using this card over the past 7 months. So as you can see here, first off, yes, you see that big number of $9,650. That is actually referral bonuses, and surprisingly enough, a lot of you guys have signed up to crypto.com with my referral link, and I am very, very humbled and thankful. As you guys know, when you sign sign up with my referral code CryptoFiend, you get $50 when you create your account with my code, and 193 of you have signed up to Crypto.com, used my code, and got MCO Visa cards. So 193 of you are out there in the world using one of these cards, and right there alone, I think that's really, really cool. I can't thank you guys enough for, of course, supporting the channel. And I'm sure you're loving your free $50 as well. So other than that, if we go right down here at the bottom, you can see my card cash back. I have gotten cash back of $359.50 over the past 7 months. I don't know exactly how much that means I spent, but nonetheless, that's free money that would go somewhere else if I was using a traditional debit card. So I think that's really cool that, you get this money, it goes to your account instantly right when you make that purchase, and you can do whatever you want with it. There's no lockup period, there's no bull crap. Crypto.com is really good at being straight up and honest with its customers. They just say it how it is, and I find that very, very awesome as a company in the space, in the cryptocurrency space especially, that they're just straight up with their customers. They want to provide a quality product, and so far they have been doing so. This is 100% the best debit card in the world right now. Maybe not this one, but the Obsidian Black one, of course, with the 5% cash back and all the other benefits. That is the best debit card in the world right now. But this is right below it. This is right below it, guys. I seriously cannot find another card that gives you 3% cash back and all these other benefits. So let me know down below if you know a debit card that gives you 3% cash back, let alone even 2% cash back. I am really curious. So if you guys are interested and checking out Crypto.com and maybe getting a Visa card, I will leave my referral link down below. If you don't want to use the link, you can use code CryptoFiend with no space, and you get $50 when you sign up and create an account. It's really that simple. I know that sounds a little shilly, but hey, it's literally free money. You got nothing to lose. If you don't want the $50, that's fine. It'll go to someone else. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer it. And of course, make sure you leave a comment, because you don't want to miss out on the hardware cryptocurrency wallet giveaway that we do every single week on the channel. Thank you guys as always for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next.